Hi everyone, I apologize if there's a bunch of background noise. I'm at the airport and I'm going to make a quick video for you. To do these three problems, cosecant, cotangent, and secant, this is just an example that a student sent me. And in this case you see that they got the secant question incorrect. So the cosecant 45 degrees first on the Alex calculator. Notice right there in the corner it says degrees, so it's in degree mode. Cosecant is 1 over sine, so I'm going to do 1 divided by the sine of 45 degrees, and when you hit equals, notice that's 1.41 rounded. To do cotangent, that is 1 over tangent. So I'll clear everything off first and type 1 divided by the tangent of negative 360 degrees, so 360. And so now that's going to give us the cotangent of negative 360 degrees, and I'm going to hit equals and it's going to say undefined. So that's correct for the second part. And then the third part, and this is common for people to mess up, we need to switch the calculator to radian mode since we're using radian angles. So I'm going to click the radian button right here. That's the degree radian button. Every time you click it, notice that this little thing in the corner changes. So right now it says radian, so I'm in radian mode. And if I want the secant, that's 1 over cosine. So I'm going to type 1 divided by cosine of negative 8 pi, so 8 pi right there, and then divided by, while I'm still in the parentheses of the cosine, notice that makes a fraction, 8 pi divided by 13. And there we go, and you press equal there. Notice we get negative 2.82. Now I'll quickly do those same three on the graphing calculator. Quite honestly, I want you to learn both. I want you to understand how to use the Alex calculator when it's there, but I also want you to learn how to use your graphing calculator. So I'll bring it up and I'll cover this up and I'll do the same three questions. So on the graphing calculator you press the mode button. Let's see, I'll move this up just a little bit. Press mode. And right now there's radian, there's degrees, so right now I'm in radian mode. I'm going to move over with the arrow key and press enter. Now I'm in degree mode. Oops, wrong button. That was scientific and normal. I got to move down. There we go. Over to degree, press enter. And now when you press second and mode, what's is the home screen, I'm back at my home screen for calculations. And I'll quickly do cosecant of 45. That is 1 divided by the sine of 45 degrees. And you close the parenthesis there. So 1 divided by sine of 45. There's our 1.41. Cotangent, that's 1 divided by tangent of negative 360. Parentheses, so there is going to be the cotangent, and there's our error divided by 0, so that tells us that it's undefined. That's the reason why it's undefined, so that's something to be aware of, what that means. And I'll clear that off, and then I'll go back to the mode button and go down to this radian degree spot and press enter to switch into radian mode, back to home. And then for secant, I'm going to type 1 divided by cosine of negative. Don't forget to use the negative button here, not the subtract. On the Alex calculator it doesn't matter, but on this one it does. So that's the negative sign down here. Negative 8. And then to get to pi, we hit second, and that key right there, there's 8 pi over 13. Then close the parenthesis. So notice I'm taking the cosine of negative 8 pi over 13, and it's 1 divided by all of that mess. So press enter there, and there's your negative 2.82. So there is how you enter those on both the graphing calculator and on the Alex calculator. Hope that helps. Take care.